Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you. If you're a student working on your thesis, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to explore the 10 best free AI tools that can significantly enhance your thesis writing experience. These tools will help you streamline your research, improve your writing, and save you valuable time. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of AI-powered thesis tools. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool designed for collaborative writing and brainstorming sessions. It simplifies group projects by allowing multiple users to create, edit, and share documents in real time. This makes it easier to work together on documents, share ideas, and keep track of changes, enhancing the efficiency of collaborative efforts. The second AI tool is Explain Paper. Explain Paper is a remarkable AI tool that focuses on simplifying complex research papers. By analyzing research documents, it generates concise explanations of intricate concepts. This tool acts as your own research assistant, helping you comprehend and convey the essence of challenging academic content. The third AI tool is Hamada. Hamada is an AI-powered content generator that assists in drafting written content. It offers suggestions to enhance the readability and quality of your writing. Whether you're crafting essays, reports, or articles, Hamada can be your writing companion by providing valuable insights and improvements. The fourth AI tool is WordTune Read. WordTune Read serves as both a proofreading and reading aid. It not only identifies grammatical and spelling errors but also reads your text aloud. This feature helps you identify errors that might be missed by a traditional spell checker, ensuring your written content is polished and error-free. The fifth AI tool is Quillbot. Quillbot is a versatile AI tool that specializes in paraphrasing and sentence structure improvement. It's an excellent resource for enhancing the clarity and coherence of your writing. Quillbot can help you rephrase sentences, making them more concise and effective, which is particularly useful for academic and research writing. The sixth AI tool is Spinbot. Spinbot is a tool designed to assist with rephrasing passages of text. It helps you reword content while preserving the original meaning. This is especially beneficial when you need to avoid plagiarism or express the same idea using different words, maintaining the integrity of your work. The seventh AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model capable of generating text, answering queries, and providing writing suggestions. Its versatility makes it an all-rounder for various writing needs. From crafting compelling narratives to answering complex questions, ChatGPT offers a wide range of applications. The eighth AI tool is Paper Digest. Paper Digest streamlines the process of summarizing research papers. By extracting key points and essential information from lengthy documents, this tool saves you time and ensures you capture the most crucial aspects of the research you're reviewing. The ninth AI tool is CiteFast. CiteFast is a valuable AI tool for managing references and citations. It generates citations in various formats, ensuring your references are accurate and well-formatted. This is particularly beneficial for academic writing, where proper citation is essential to maintain credibility and integrity. Last but not least, the 10th AI tool is MyBib. MyBib is a user-friendly citation generator designed to simplify the creation of citations for your sources. It takes the hassle out of formatting and structuring citations, making the citation process more efficient and error-free. So there you have it, our list of the 10 best free AI tools that can revolutionize your thesis writing process. Whether you're looking to improve your writing style, manage references, or even generate content, these tools have got you covered. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video of The Artificial Professor.